Welcome to an exclusive journey into the heart of education and culture, where borders blur and minds unite. Join us as we unravel the tapestry of opportunity woven by the prestigious Türkiye Burslari Scholarship. From the ancient shores of Anatolia to the vibrant streets of modern Turkey, prepare to embark on a transformative voyage of learning, discovery, and limitless possibilities. This is not just a scholarship. It's an invitation to unlock the doors to excellence and shape your future on the global stage. Get ready to ignite your dreams and embrace the extraordinary with Türkiye. Why Türkiye Scholarships? A comprehensive and unique scholarship program. Türkiye Scholarships considers everything that international students will need during their academic studies while discovering Türkiye and acquiring new skills. Türkiye Scholarships provide university and department placements. Unlike other higher education scholarship programs, cover student fees, allows you to learn the language of the country study with 1-year Turkish language course. Thus, resources are diversified in your academic research and daily life. Becomes more pleasurable. Providesicom offered students arriving in a new country, supports you on your journey to Turkey, and when you return to your country at the end of your education period, and covers years off flight. Allows you to take full advantage of widespread health services when necessary with health insurance. Also provides monthly stipend. 3.5 TL at undergraduate level, 5.0 TL at master's level, and 6.5 TL at PhD per month. Application criteria. Türkiye Scholarships has designed different and specific scholarship programs for each education level. It offers many qualified scholarship opportunities ranging from long-term bachelor's, master's as well as PhD scholarships to research and merit-based scholarships. Art scholarships to joint scholarship programs created with international reputable institutions. Minimum academic achievement. For undergraduate candidates, 70. For graduate candidates, 75. For candidates of health sciences, medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy, 90%. Age criteria. For undergraduate programs, being under the age of 21. For master's programs, being under the age of 30. For PhD programs, being under the age of 35. For research scholarship, being under the age of 50. Eligibility. Eligible groups. Citizens of all countries. Graduates are those who will graduate at the end of the current academic year before August 2024. Researchers and academics. Ineligible groups. Turkish citizens and individuals who have lost Turkish citizenship. Individuals who are currently enrolled in programs in Turkish universities at the level of education will apply. Types of scholarships. 1. Full-time scholarship programs. These are scholarships provided at bachelor's, master's, and PhD levels. Before application, candidates are advised to check the equivalence and validity of the chosen fields in their countries. Tuition fee. Turkish language course 1 year. Accommodation, health insurance. Once-off flight ticket at the beginning of education and when graduating. Success Scholarship Program 1 year. The Success Scholarship Program is a program specially designed for students who are currently studying at Turkish universities on their own and who have demonstrated outstanding academic performance. Monthly stipend. Undergraduate, 1,400 TL. Master's, 2,000 TL. PhD, 2,750 TL. The student can benefit from this scholarship for 1 academic year. Joint scholarship programs are scholarship programs offered to certain disadvantaged groups within the framework of special themes in cooperation with international organizations and other public institutions. 5 steps to apply. 1. Create your personal profile on Turkey's scholarship system. 2. Upload all required documents. 3. List your dreams, university, and program preferences. 4. Write an original letter of intent, explaining your preferences, expectations, and goals for future. 5. After reviewing all the stages and documents, approve your application. Required documents. For applications made online through the Türkiye Scholarships Application System (TBS), all candidates must upload the following documents to the system: a valid identity document, ID card or passport, a photograph of the candidate taken within the last 1 year, national exam results if any, diploma or temporary graduation certificate, transcript, international exam results GRE, GMAT, SAT, etc. if required by the chosen university or program. International language test results such as TOEFL, DELF if required by the chosen university or program. A proposal for a research topic and a written example of the research you have carried out only for PhD applications. Important details. Many programs in Turkish universities are taught in Turkish language. However, some departments and universities may offer programs in English and other languages. Candidates who wish to study in such programs must be able to provide an internationally accepted language certificate, TOEFL, or other equivalent certifications if university officially stated acceptable. Most of these programs require international admission test results, GRE, GMAT, SAT, etc. Candidates can check the language of instruction while choosing programs in the application system. Undergraduate candidates who possess international qualifications such as SAT or GS instead of national exam scores will need to provide the minimum required qualifications needed for completing secondary school according to these international exams. All Türkiye scholarships awardees who do not possess C1 level certificate for Turkish proficiency, including those who are placed into English or other language medium programs, must attend 1-year Turkish language course and attain the C1 level certificate by the end of their academic year. As we draw the curtains on this captivating exploration, remember that the journey doesn't end here. The Türkiye Burslari Scholarship is not just a chapter in your story. It's the beginning of a boundless odyssey filled with promise and potential. Seize the opportunities that await. Embrace the diversity of knowledge and let your ambitions soar. As you tread the path of academic excellence, may your experiences in Turkey be the cornerstone of a brighter tomorrow. Until we meet again, remember, the pursuit of knowledge knows no boundaries. Farewell, and may your aspirations continue to inspire the world.